Good afternoon. Now I am going to conduct your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
First of all, I'd like to know your name.
My name is Naim Bhuya and I am from Lakshmipur.
What is your hometown especially famous for?
My hometown is specially famous for two rivers. There's two rivers very close from my hometown.
Okay, what are the names?
Lakshmipur River and Noakhali River.
Noakhali River. Do you like rivers?
No, not so much.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions about reading books. Do you like reading books in your free time?
Yeah, I like reading books in my free time. Whenever I have free time and I am in class or in my reading room or living room, so I read books.
Have you ever read books in the library?
No, I never read books in a library.
Okay, did you ever visit a library?
Actually, I one time visited a library in our Lakshmipur.
In Lakshmipur?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you stay healthy?
Every day I take good food, I run 2 kilometers and I exercise every day.
In your opinion, what is the best exercise for staying healthy?
Every day 10 or 5 push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups and taking some good foods.
Taking some good food. Well, okay. What do you think? Mental health is as important as physical health?
Yeah, mental health is important as well as your physical health, because without mental health you can't achieve your good health.
What do you usually do if you catch a cold or if you suffer from a fever?
I take some medicine and I take rest. That's
And what do you think? What is the best time for taking rest of the day?
at night and
night.
our evening time.
Evening time. Do the people of your area take exercise regularly?
No, not so much. They
Not so
sometimes
much.
exercise.
And which sport did you used to play in your childhood?
Football.
Football.
Yeah.
Okay. And what was your position?
GK or midfielder.
Midfielder. What is your best performance ever in football?
Midfielder. Attacking midfielder.
Can you describe a football match that you recently watched?
No, I didn't watch any football match.
What's your opinion about politics?
Actually, I don't know about politics and I didn't know about it. But my one big brother do it and he knows about it.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger.
Tiger. Well,
Yeah.
Do you have any pet?
No, I tried to take a pet, but my mother said no need.
My mother doesn't allow you. Well,
Yeah.
Can you describe a journey that you have recently made?
Few days ago, I go to airport and first of all, I send my friend in
Okay.
abroad and I stand there 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah. After that, my father came and I meet with my father. That's
Do you think traveling is important to keep our mind fresh?
actually I don't know about everyone, but it's for me better.
It's for
I feel
you.
fresh whenever I travel.